video, guys. We're going to Walter with our e-bike, guys. Daddy Melvin promised that we're going to Walter on Friday. Thought nga, guys, we can't go, guys, because it's raining, guys. Daddy made it, guys. Go to Walter. Even it's raining. Here na nga, guys, on Walter. We buy token na nga, guys, so I can play na. I tried the claw machine, guys. It's hard, guys. And don't get a toy, guys. I tried the all machine, guys, but it's too hard talaga to get one. But on this machine, guys, I got chocolate. Look at me, guys. And get one na naman. Is so madami ng chocolate, guys. Go, Daddy! I cheer my daddy nga, guys. He play the basketball here, guys. He did not get din kasi, guys, sa claw machine. Now naman, guys, we here at Balid-Baliran. It's too fun din here, guys. I'm shoot them all, guys. Mommy buy a drink na din, guys. Syempre, she don't forget the French fries. We ubos na nga, guys. Our token. So we can go home na. But before that, guys, we eat muna here inside our car. Here at parking, guys. Mommy, buy din pala, guys, the shawarma. It's like family date na pala this, guys. Please, Daddy, let's do it again on Friday. Please. Okay, BBQ. Yay! Asya, guys, hanggang here na lang. Thank you for watching. Mahal-mahal ko kayo. Night!